Don't get scared, people. That's me. I am taking up this challenge because April has been always harsh on me. Reasons unknown. This time it's still better. Last year I was hospitalized. Low on energy level, but a video is must. Here is the left hand makeup challenge for you guys. And I can use my right hand to take the products on my left hand because technically I don't have more hands than two. Yeah, so I was saying a lot of people ask me, if you don't use makeup, how do you have so many products? So it was for my brother's wedding. That was the first time in my 25 years of life, because I'm not the person who can invest such a big amount on makeup, and that too MAC ke cosmetics. Seriously guys, I belong to that clan of girls who would prefer investing on food and sometimes clothes rather than spending money on makeup, because that doesn't make sense for us. मतलब हमको फर्क नहीं पड़ता, हमको कोई कैसे भी जज कर ले, हम ऐसे ही भूत जैसे दिख जाएंगे, and I don't really give an F about that. That was the thing. I bought makeup for my brother's wedding because I wanted to look good, but I didn't use any of these products, and it has been more than 2 years. I still have the product. I know it's unhealthy, the shelf life is over and everything is blah blah blah, पता है मुझे, but still if it's there I need to use it because बहुत महंगा आता है ये सारा. So I have successfully applied the, oh shit, what was that? Primer. I have successfully applied the primer with my left hand, and I'm gonna use my left hand to pick the other product, which is this foundation. बहुत ज़्यादा आ गया. This is the foundation guys, and I am just gonna like put this thing on my face using my left hand. I really think that this product is expired because it smells different, but who cares? I don't have a brush. Actually I have, that's like cheap quality brush, because like I said I don't invest in good products when it comes to makeup, तो वो poke होता है. So I don't use it. So technically I have wasted my money behind that cheap product. उससे अच्छा मैं वड़ा पाव खा लेती, but then it's fine. I use those brushes to clean my laptop keyboard. Am I looking pretty now? So this is my makeup holder. It's kind of cute. So this is almost, what is it yaar? It's concealer. The concealer is almost over, but still जो भी बचा कुचा है, I'm just gonna use it somewhere on the face. I have some pimple pigmentations and marks here, so I'll be trying my best to hide it and look the most gorgeous woman on earth by applying MAC concealer. क्यों यार, हमारे दागे अच्छे हैं. Actually makeup has its own importance because it does boost up your confidence for a lot of women, you know, who have birthmark or something like that. I'm not against women who use makeup or are pro at it. I mean, it's a talent. I don't even know what I did with this on my face. I've just like randomly applied it everywhere on my face, and now I'm gonna use the brush and just, it's like slapping your own self but with a lot of politeness and love, because you don't want to hurt yourself. Now we are using this powder. Compact powder sounds so middle class. My hair is just fine. I'm just going to keep it like them for the rest of summer. We're going to apply some powder on the neck because even the neck needs to look gorgeous. Not only your stupid face but also your stupid neck. Please excuse the random noises that you listen in my video because I don't know, I'm sick. I think I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I think I can really turn into a good makeup artist, but वही है कि मुझसे कराएगा कौन? मम्मी तो करा लेंगी. मम्मी का I can do. मम्मी and Masi and few of my friends on gun point, although I don't have a gun, but कुछ गलत हुआ है यहाँ पे which I'm not able to see, but I see myself doing a pretty great job. बस इतना ही eyebrows बनाना था मुझे, and I did that very efficiently, so I'm kind of proud of myself, and I just want to tap my shoulders for it. Well done Niharika. Thank you, thank you. So the main part of my makeup routine is kajal, which I don't have anymore. I'm certainly out of it because I don't have money to buy it, and my parents have clearly refused to lend me money. This is something which my bhabhi got me, and I've never used it since then. And it's not even funny क्योंकि eyeliner तो मैं right hand से भी नहीं लगा सकती, so left से तो ठंडा ठंडा लग रहा है कुछ तो. This smells like a marker. Oh, is it a marker? No. Oh no, it's an eye marker. Super Fat Eye Marker by NYX. I don't know what that shit is. I'm gonna quickly apply mascara or whatever that is. Oh, how pretty, Niharika. Oh, okay. So वो मैंने लगाया है बुरी नजर से बचने के लिए. So it's always good that you put the kala tika here and not anywhere else in your forehead or inside your hair or behind your ears. That's how you cover your mistakes. So I have all these makeup products, you know, which I didn't buy. My bhabhi gave it to me, and this was given to me by my brother. कैसे खुलता है? This is Lancome Paris. I've never heard of this brand. My family tried their best to convert me into this girly girl who uses makeup and looks good in front of other relatives, but they have failed so terribly. And then other people think that I lie because I buy makeup, I use them, but still I go on record and say, oh, I don't use makeup and all. So the truth is I really don't use makeup. So this was before his engagement, which was in 2015 June, and you can see the palette. It is as it is. थोड़ा बहुत मैंने यूज किया है, वो भी लहर पे. So I don't even know how to go about this, but I think I like this color a lot. तो हम इसको आंखों पे लगाएंगे. Okay, I can use this mirror. I'm such a douche. Wow! I'm gonna use the silver cake, the silver color onto the inner parts of the eye. Okay, so this is completely different from what I've seen. I wanted to do that stuff, you know, like they put a little silver towards the, like, both the ends, but certainly it's not looking like that. But it's fine since this is left hand. अगर right hand से होता तो मैं आपको करके बताती. So I guess I've done the Kangna Ranaut's Krish 3 वाला makeover where she looks like a cat, and I certainly look like a cat who's possessed. So I need exorcism. Now I'm gonna do this pink thing on my cheeks. For that you need to suck your fats in. Good! Niharika, good job. Oh, ये वो है bronzer or bronze or whatever that is. I don't know. The color is bronze. I figured out from that. I look very pretty. I'm very satisfied with however I look right now. So this is my makeup. So this is my left hand makeup challenge. So that was it for today's video, guys. I guess I did this makeup challenge after a very long time. I mean, I did this Halloween makeup challenge with my bhabhi, but something like this happened after a very long time. I guess almost after 1.5 years. So let me know if you like these kind of videos where I take silly challenges and waste your time and mine too. Awesome, guys. So I'll see you next week with another video and maybe these kind of challenges if you give a positive response. Otherwise, I know to stop. So let me know that in the comments section. Also, I think I need to wash my face, so I'm gonna just end it. So bye.